welcome to Brenda's Bargains. On today's video, we're going to cover the clearance event, additional 50% off, starting this Friday. This is so exciting. So we have all these items that are turning. Make sure you understand it's excluding candles. That's basically what you have to memorize. It's excluding True Living candles. So scan away if you want a candle because it might not go at the register. All right. Also, we have tons and tons of laundry soap. I'm so excited, and not all stores are marked. So in this video, I'm going to share with you all the UPCs, all the visuals. You're going to be excited about this clearance event because even if you go on the regular laundry aisle, all you have to do is look for these items, scan away. I'm going to give you some visuals. I'm going to help you out. Don't worry, I got lots of UPCs. I even got a little list in here definitely to help you out. I'm so excited about this. Are you all excited? Make sure you scan away. Make sure you prepare for this because this is going to be epic. I'm telling you, there's tons of laundry soap in your stores. There's even the old laundry soap that's in the past that is turning, and then we're going to have all these new ones. That's like so exciting. So we have tons and tons of laundry soap. I'm telling you, the prices are going to be starting practically at 90 cents on some of them, $1.60 on some others. Then it goes to $2, then it goes $3, and then $4 and $5. But I'm telling you, there's even coupons, and you can get it as low as like a $19 one for $4, because it'll be $8 and then $4 with coupons. I'm telling you, it's gonna be exciting. Y'all are gonna get so excited for this. Okay, very exciting. I'm just gonna let this play for just a second because I'm telling you, this is just so epic. This is gonna be so much fun. I'm excited for the clearance event now. I am so excited. And you know, I haven't even covered everything on it all. I have so many videos. I have like so much more to share with you. But I know you're going to see it in the stores. But I will just try to cover it just because we need to know for future clearance events and markdowns and all that jazz. I'm telling you. So I will try to cover as much as I can through the next couple days. I'm telling you, it's going to be so exciting. It's going to be so much fun. Make sure you have your phone charged. Make sure you have a backup charger. Make sure you are prepared. Make sure you type in your phone number at the register if you're using a coupon, because I've done that many times before. I forgot. So make sure you slow down, double check, load it all in your basket, then scan away. Make sure you have coupons all attaching, clipped, all that jazz. Make sure when you get to the register, then you add your phone number, okay? Just say, hold on, I need to add my phone number. You know, even if you have to slow them down, just make sure you add a phone number. But so much fun. And then even if you don't go on Friday, then try to go for Saturday because then you got the extra 5 off, 25, and then all these coupons and all that jazz. So it's going to be amazing. I'm telling you, it's going to be so much fun to do this weekend. And a lot of times, laundry soap brings in big crowds, okay? Big crowds of ladies will all. So basically what I was saying was ladies will turn up out of the woodworks, and when there's laundry soap involved and you can get it for like less than $4, you bet your bottom dollar there's going to be tons of ladies out there, and it's going to go quick. So many of these stores are not marked. Okay, I went to many stores in my area, and only like 2 stores were ready for the laundry soap. Okay, 2. The rest of them were pulling like Valentine stuff, brown dot stuff, toys, other items, but they were not pulling the laundry soap. So you might have to walk the laundry soap aisle and then just scan away. But I'm telling you, just go in the gain, go in the Tide section, and just scan away, and just pick the ones you want to get. Okay, just pick the ones you want to get. So, and then make sure you get the coupons and all that jazz. So there's special coupons. I did put that towards the end of the video because I don't want to confuse you with coupons and all that jazz. I want to give you just the additional 50% off, and then make sure if you have multiple accounts, you can do couponing. So that makes it really special, and that's why we encourage you to have your Dollar General app. Make sure you scan away, make sure you download it, all that jazz, and make sure if you have multiple accounts, make sure you have your phone numbers ready, all that jazz. Make sure everything's ready to go the night before, okay? It just makes your life easier at the store. All right, I'm going to let it play. All right, so I try to give you close-up so that way you can just scan away on your computer. Definitely check out the stores before you go by. I hope this video helps you out. I'm trying to get this video out to you as soon as I can. I hope it uploads fast from YouTube so you can see it tonight before the clearance event. If not, early in the morning so you can check it out with your stores. Check out the ones you want to scope out, but definitely I wanted to put it out there so that way you can scan away. So definitely play it on a TV, laptop, wherever, iPad, anything you can, just so you can scan away on your phone and then check it out before you leave the store. This is awesome. I do have a clearance list. I will prolong it just a second longer just to help you all out, and I hope you all score, because this is what it looks like once they're pulled. So I wanted to give you a couple of visuals of that, just so if it's not looking like that, that's kind of what you're going to be looking for. Don't forget the older clearance ones that are going to be turning too, like the Wicked and all that stuff. I'm telling you, there's even the powder gain, and I didn't even put that in the video. I was trying so hard to get this out to you so fast, so I just wanted to help you all out. I definitely put a couple of lists in here just to help you out too. So screenshot those, and I'm just trying to help you out. If this video does help you out, please like the video, okay? And you might find some pennies today. That was just a friendly reminder. You might find some pennies today, because there was like 3 or 4 Tide old clearance that did penny out. So I did put that several times in several of my videos. So definitely check those out. I hope this video helps you out. Please like and leave a comment below. Are you excited about the clearance event? Because I am. I hope you are too. And we'll see you on the next video. I'm just going to let this play out. Don't forget, like I said, clip the coupons and all that jazz, and double check at the registers before you check out. Make sure everything is ringing up at the register too. Just make sure everything is a go, okay? All right. Don't forget, there's some really good gems. I'm seeing some of these are going to be almost free. So amazing, amazing. There's going to be some fun deals. I'm telling you, it's going to be amazing. I will try to put some more videos out as soon as I can, okay?